My name is Stella Khoza. I'm the industrial engineer in the manufacturing engineering department. My career journey here at Isuzu began in 2023 when I was appointed as an in-service trainee in the manufacturing engineering department. I got an opportunity to work with a team of 6 industrial engineers who did not only contribute to my personal development, but gave me a platform to learn and adapt in the work environment as a fresh graduate. I later got an opportunity to work in the supply chain department as a graduate in training. This transition came with a positive impact. My acumen was improved and it made me realize the importance of each and every department towards reaching the common goal of our company. I recently got appointed permanently as an industrial engineer responsible for the paint shop. So growing up, I was a very shy person and that affected my communication skills. I remember my first interview with Isuzu. I had a one-pager CV with no experience. I was so nervous to a point whereby I couldn't be able to articulate my skills and capabilities clearly in some instances. But the interviewers believed in me and gave me the opportunity. I unapologetically used the opportunity to learn and to advance myself in the company. My advice to my fellow youth is that the road to success is not easy. You will get criticized, you will be disappointed, and you will fail in some instances. But the best decision you can make for yourself is to always show up and learn in the process, no matter how difficult the situation is.